folks, it's me again. What I was going to do tonight is I'll show you here, and then I'll tell you why I'm not doing it. I was going to take this box here of, I showed you this in you'll see it in an upcoming video, or whatever the hell it is. It's 12 volt, 12 volt to 20 volt adapter for a, what do you call it, little Tykes vehicle. So anyway, I have all these pieces, and I was going to take it, this is the 12 volt part. It's a Dewalt adapter. It's pretty nice, even on off too. I was going to put this together, solder it to this portion right here, which is the, let's see what plus or minus is. And no, plus, minus. So yeah, this is the red is the plus. I was going to solder it, connect it all together, but the problem with this kit is this has to, I need some kind of box so I can embed this in. This little kit didn't leave me enough room to even do anything with it. I could still peel it off on camera for you. So I gotta go buy a piece of Rubbermaid bin, or not Rubbermaid, but yeah, maybe a Rubbermaid thing. Gotta buy a little piece of, because the last one, the knob was built in, and this one, stupid thing, the knob is not built in. And I don't think it'll fit inside there, because I might be able to, yeah, let's see, take it apart. How's this stupid thing come off? Screw there and a screw there. World's smallest screws. Hold on, let me get a screwdriver here. Do I have a small one? Does I have a tiny one? I might be able to punch a hole on the side here, maybe squeeze it in on that side, or put it on the top, but there's not enough room to put it in this part. The dingbat's over in wherever the hell the thing is made. Hold on. Let me get a smaller screwdriver, because, you know, of course, there's never the right size here. Smaller screwdriver. Where are you? Where the hell did I go? Where did you go? Where did you go? The screwdriver committee. Let's see. Swords of crap. I just grabbed a whole bunch of them. Hopefully it'll work. So if I take this off, cover here, this cover should come off. Come on, does that come off? That takes that off. What the hell? That comes off that way. Leave that in there. Then we gotta take this little thing off here. Let's see. Oh, I lost the screw. We lost the screw. There's the other one. So if I take this cover off, it should come off like somehow. Oh look, it all like falls apart. Yeah, that's supposed to be screwed on there. That one's not even screwed in there. What the hell? There's even screws missing. So anyway, this doesn't have enough space to go in there, and I might be able to get this to stay in here like this, but I don't think that wire, the wire is going to have to stick out the side and come back in like so. But it might short out, or I can put it on the top here. Either way, this stupid thing, see there's a hole, this is what's supposed to go in the hole. This thing right here is supposed to go in here. Of course not like that, but when you put it back together, see, when you put it back together, they use the wrong components and it doesn't fit. So I'm stuck with using a box. Good old Chinese engineering, I guess, huh? Is there any complaints about the last one? Nope. No complaints about this little box last time I got it. Worked absolutely flawless. does this go on now? Right here, I guess. Yeah. Gotta take this sucker and, well, at least they got a little ingenious and they put it together. Oop, oop. It goes in. Oh my God, this is stupid. This is completely stupid. I understand if people want to save money, but this is like, this is fucking dumb. Oh, sorry, I swore. Sorry about that. I know there's cutting costs, but this is totally ridiculous. Wait, this goes on the top here. This one goes that way. There we go. This one goes in here, like so. Line up a little more here. So anyway, I gotta go buy a little sandwich box, something, because this is gonna spend the rest of its life sitting inside a outdoor car, and I don't want it like just, if the compartment fills up with water or something or whatever. I mean, it's bound to happen, but I at least want some of it enclosed so I don't have to do this over 16 times. Come on, get in there. So anyway, now you see my problem. I probably could hook up, this is the inward, let's see outward. So yeah, it goes inward. I probably could hook this up, but then I just realized I don't have my wire strippers here. So it's not a problem. So I'm thinking get a small little box, put this maybe on the side of the box somewhere, or in the box, on the top of the box. And then there's also this thing right here, which is the voltage, what is it? The DC low voltage projection board, which is, I guess, the voltage coming in. What the hell that means. And then there's also, this is the voltage going out. So, I'll figure that out. This is cool. It's got a little, I didn't know this had a clickety-click here. This time it comes with this fuse adapter built into it, which is nice. Does it go off at all? Let's see. Yeah, well, it comes with a 30 amp fuse. At least I got 3 fuses this time. And I'm probably, like I said, this piece, I'm not sure what the hell is going on here with all this crap, but I'm sure I don't have to use it. But I got to cut a hole to fit this in there for a little display. So it needs a hole for this, and a freaking window for this thing. So how do I do that? I don't know. And then best thing I'm going to do is hot glue gun the whole thing. Do I have screws for this? No. I normally save plastic screws for plastic when I take apart stuff, and I think from now on I'm going to save the little tiny ones that you can bore into plastic. They're kind of like plastic self-tapping screws, and I've never seen one of these things, so I'm not sure what the hell. I'm guessing, I don't know, because there's 2 wires in here, so I guess these wires go to, that's the input, this is the output. These 2 wires go to, this goes in, this goes, right, it goes in, this is the output to the motor. And then, no wait, no. This goes into here. This is the input in here. This goes into here. Then it outputs from here into there. And the little voltage gadget clicks into the output on here. It's not too difficult, but it's kind of stupid. I don't know what the hell they gave me this for, because that goes in there, the other ones connect there, and then what the hell does this connect to? Like, I mean, it's pretty cool if you can have wires together. Not sure what the hell. What is this? Weird. Weird, weird, weird. I guess you put the wire in and then let it go, I guess. Oh. Not sure. Oh yeah, there we go. Put the wire in and it locks it. So yeah, I guess it's a fancy way of locking wires down. So anyway, gotta go to Walmart, find some sandwich container that's big enough for this. That's the exterior thing, and ta-da! Story of my life. Throw that in there. Throw that all in there. So that's that's what I was planning on doing tonight. Instead, what was I doing instead? Well, I don't have a lot of time, so I'll just quit here. One of my little things. So yeah, thanks for watching my little busybody thing that I was planning to do this anyway. It's just me doing stuff, and that's what I do in the evenings. I sit here and tinker with stuff and take stuff apart. In the previous video, I fixed a Bissell cleaner, so yeah, Bissell cleaner. Anyway, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and click some stuff, and tell all your friends. Thanks for watching.